We are coming into a time where unity consciousness is rising. That's been coming up really strongly. I know that there's a lot of discord and opposition that's coming in right now, especially in the United States, because of the elections coming up. So I want to talk to you guys about the fact that there are certain powers that benefit from us fighting each other. They pit one group against the other, blue versus red. And so I would like you to notice that this is happening, that in a way it's like they're trying to play us against one another, because they know that if we come together and we work together, they know how powerful we'll be. They will not be able to control us anymore. And so you will notice that unity consciousness starts to rise, so will the opposite. And so for a lot of us, what's happening is that conflict and that discord, it's almost like we're allergic to it. The other thing that's coming up is that a lot of us are going to be outgrowing duality, meaning that we're going to be moving beyond, the one versus the other. We're realizing that we are one and that we are all connected, and that what happens to one does affect all. And so we're going to start to move beyond those old belief systems and a lot of distortions.